Guys, unboxing sa order nga. Let's put this washing, no video, no return, no refund. Okay, we video now, so that we will have an evidence.
Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean.
A small washing machine. We'll see if it's working or not, or live or by satellite. What you call this?
Wow.
Wow, what a small but terrible. And affordable. We will see.
Very
Saksakan, the saksakan, the outlet. Okay, it's working. Try to spin, or what you call this? Spinning around. Ada na? Sige, gusto naman.
Ano itong... Ano ba yung adapter? Yung ano yung adapter?
Adapter na.
The white one adapter.
Kanagala na. Siya. Here. Put it here and we will seal it. It's on now. The green color. If we off, okay, no lights. Okay. Let's see. Spinning around. Lago muna. Mashallah, it's working. Okay.
Spinner.
How about the spinner? Spinner around. Ano yung kuwan ma? Pao ka.
Ano man na, lock.
Para cover mo na. Gamay rin kita yung mga sulod mo. Mante din audio dahil. Is it true? And it's really true. Di na may magpa-laundry kay mahal kayo. 170 ang 8 kilos. Tumiyagi ang 4.
Ayan.
Okay, bye-bye guys. Bye.